Good morning, students. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Heartron Skill Center near Fountain Chowk, Yamuna. Our center code is 034. I'm Ankit Sharma. Students, in cyber security, we were discussing about buffer overflow, and I also told you about the modern encryptions. So, our today's lecture will be on modern encryption. Modern encryption, which is a part of cryptography. Okay. So I told you about the encryptions and decryptions in my previous lectures. Encryption and decryptions are like sending and receiving the things. So encryption and decryption takes place when data is being received or sent. It is the key to advanced computer and communication security. For communication and other purposes, for some advanced computer applications, we need tight securities. Just for those tight securities, we use encryptions. So this stream of cryptography is completely based on the ideas of mathematics, such as number theories and computational complexities theories, as well as the concept of probabilities. So in this lecture, we'll be learning about the different elements and characteristics of modern cryptography. I told you about the encryptions. Now I'm telling you about modern encryptions cryptography, and my topic is types of modern cryptography. Types of modern cryptography. So different algorithms have come up with powerful encryption mechanisms incorporated in them. It gave rise to two new ways of encryption mechanisms for data security. These two types of data securities are, the first one comes with symmetric key encryption. Next comes is asymmetric key encryption. So what is key? Now I have told you about the encryptions. Coming on to the key. Key is a kind of security, you might say it is a security key. It can be a number, a word, or phrase, or any code that will be used for encrypting as well as decrypting any ciphertext information or generating any coded versions into the plain text. So, for these things, key is being used. Now coming on to the symmetric and asymmetric key cryptography is based on the number of keys and the ways these keys work. So let us start with the symmetric key encryption. Symmetric key encryption. So symmetric key encryption technique uses a straightforward method of encryption. This is similar among those practices. In case of symmetric key encryptions, encryption is done through only one secret key. Keys are being used as I told you about the key. What is key? It can be any kind of code, phrase, any word which is converted into the plain text. So symmetric means in a sequence, and symmetry comes with only one secret key. So encryption is done through only one secret key. That is why it is known as symmetric. And this key remains to the both of the parties, that is the sender and the receiver. The same key is implemented for both encodings and decodings of the information. So the key is used first by the sender for sending those messages, and After that, it is used by the receiver side to decode those messages. So one of its good example is scissor cipher. It is a technique which is being used, and the modern examples of symmetric key encryptions will be RC4, Quad, DES, Blowfish, 3DES, etc. These are the part of encryptions. Coming on to the next, that is asymmetric. Asymmetric key encryption is another encryption method, as I told you. It uses, likewise, symmetric key uses one key, then asymmetric will be using the two keys, one on the server side, sender side, and one on the receiver side. So these are using two keys, which is a new and sophisticated encryption technique. This is because cryptographic key for implementing data security. These keys are public key and private key. Public key is name implies, which public key is accessible to all the users, all who want to send those data. So encryption of message comes from public key. The other is the private key. Private means keeping secure, which is kept secured by the owner of that public key or the one who is encrypting. So encryption of information is done through public key and decryption is done by the private key. The same algorithm will be used for encodings and decodings. Example of asymmetric key algorithm is RSA algorithm. Next comes is security provided by cryptography. So what are the securities provided by cryptography? Security provided by these cryptography algorithm. Confidentiality of information, it means that the information being sent or received is confidential, means it is important, will not be leaked. Next comes is data integrity. Next comes is authentication. Next comes message authentication. Next comes entity authentication. Next comes non-repudiation. Okay, so these are the securities being provided by those cryptography algorithms. Now, what are the techniques? So techniques work in combination with modern cryptography. What are the techniques? The first one comes is encryption and its key. Next comes is hash functions. Next comes MAC, message authentication codes. Message authentication. And last is digital signatures. So these all are the parts of cryptography. You must learn cryptography before learning these things. Okay, so these are the techniques being used. So we have gone through about the modern encryption techniques as well as confidential securities provided. Two kinds of encryptions, that is symmetric and asymmetric, what is key, and also about the types. So in tomorrow's lecture, we'll be learning about the data leak preventions. What are data leak prevention? Okay, after that, patch management systems, and last comes this cyber forensics. Okay, students, thank you.